Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find negative equity properties using Propwire. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to find people whose homes are underwater, or meaning that they owe more than their house is worth or the property is worth. How do you actually go ahead and find these lead types on Propwire? Now with Propwire, this is what it looks like. It's free to use and there is an upgraded plan. But once you first log in, on the upper left hand corner, you can enter the address, city, county, state, or zip code. So we're just going to go ahead and enter a Oregon zip code over here. So once you enter the zip code, you're going to be shown a list of results. Now the way to find low or negative equity homes is that you want to click on lead types and then scroll down, and then you want to click on negative equity. So you can see that our search results have now been narrowed down from 13,000 to about 400 search results. Now you could actually filter this out more by deciding between single homes, property types, and the price. So if you click on more, you can do property filters. Let's say that we only want to find single homes. And for owner filters, we could actually work with an individual, and we can say that we want them to have at least 2 years of ownership, and we want them to have at most 2 properties. So if we save and close, you'll see that it's now narrowed us down to 200 negative equity homes. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find negative equity properties on Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.